Do you wish that Excel would just read your mind and clean up data for you? Today I'm going to show you a powerful trick called FlashFill, and it's like magic. So whether you're fixing names, splitting dates, or arranging text, you'll do it with no formulas and no or very little stress. And that's even if you're not an Excel expert. Now, FlashFill looks at the pattern that you're typing and it fills the rest for you. This can be instant. It's not going to do it probably for the first one, but maybe for the second or third. So if you have names, say full name, and you're trying to separate them into first and last, or you have first and last and you're putting them together into one field, you just have to do one and then it starts seeing your pattern. So let's take a look at how this works. So you see in my example, I have a list of full names, and then I want to separate them out into first and last. Now, there are features and functions within the system that can do this, but let's see if we can do it without using them. So I'm just going to put John and Smith in. And then what we can do is we can highlight see, I think, yeah, it works just like that. So I'm going to do that again. So once we've entered it, just go down to the next. Now, if it's not done anything, then all you do is you go up to, and it's on the Home tab, over into Editing, click on this, which hopefully says Fill. I find on my smaller tablet that it doesn't say Fill, it just has this little symbol, okay? And then you just click on the drop down and choose Flash Fill. There we go. And if I do the same here, there we go. Now, once you've done it, you do get this little tab button, or, you know, it's called the FlashFill options. If you click on it, there are options here. So you can see just the options, yeah? So you can select all of them. You are accepting the changes, or you want to undo it. Now, I always suggest to people that if they use these tools, whether it's the built-in tool of text columns, or you have this one, do check, okay? Do check the data, because it may not work for all of them. I think like this one here, if it was O'Connor with an O and apostrophe, it doesn't like that one as much. It doesn't understand it. So you might have to take those and double-barreled names, and you know, people who have two surnames or two first names, and you might have to check on those and edit them. But it's reducing your work by a lot, okay? Now let's go back and try the other way. Now I find that sometimes it will actually suggest this for me and fill it in, and then you just press enter. You can see mine is not doing that, and I do have to go into FlashFill, and it then, it's called concatenate. It puts separate strings into one string, and it then concatenates it or squishes it all together. Okay, but it should, and I'm talking about Excel, Excel should start suggesting as you're entering. I find that this computer that I'm using now, my work computer, it doesn't do that. It used to, and then about 2 months ago it stopped. So I think in the next few months it'll probably, once it upgrades again, it'll it'll start doing that again. So don't worry if yours doesn't do it, neither does mine. And there's no settings I've changed. If you are a keyboard shortcut kind of person, I'm just going to undo this. There is a keyboard shortcut for this. It is Ctrl E. So you press Ctrl E, and you can see I just had typed. You just have to have one at least. You can see I had 3, and then I'm in the next cell that I want it to populate. Press Ctrl E, and it just populates it. It's fantastic. So we have no calculations, no formulae. We don't have to remember what was that feature that moved them from 1 to multiple. Yeah, we don't have to remember any of that. And we don't have to remember the word concatenate to create calculations either. Great. Now, if you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, please do click on that thumbs up. It really does help. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, do subscribe to the channel. It encourages me to keep going. Okay. And if you have any suggestions on topics you'd like covered, please do enter that in the comments as well. Take care, and I hope you have a fantastic day. There should be video links popping up at the end if you would like, or if you're interested in watching more videos. Take care, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye for now.